Treat your loved ones with this homemade sweet treat called burfi.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are milk 4 cup, sugar 3/4 cup, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon, almonds or nuts of your choice, and I'm using red food color for decoration. It's also optional. I will take a non-stick pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan, you can take a heavy bottom pan as well. First I will pour the milk. Add cardamom. I have started my stove on high heat. Keep stirring your milk constantly, and especially in the start you have to be extra careful because in the start the milk burns very quickly and it will stick to your pan and it will taste bad. After approximately 30 minutes, it's thickened now, and while stirring it, clean the sides of the pan like this. And also check the bottom of the pan like this. Your bottom of the pan should be clean. When the mixture is close to done, you can see the consistency. It's thick now. I will add sugar at this point. Mix it well. Keep stirring the mixture and let it dry. The mixture is ready to take out. Before taking out the mixture, spray your sheet or pan wherever you have to take out. I have this foil sheet. I am taking half of the mixture. In the other half, I will add food color. I am adding 2 drops of red food color. I am taking out the other half of the mixture. Set your mixture like this and let it cool down on room temperature. Now, when the burfi cools down, cut it in slices like this. Burfi is ready to serve.